In this video, we learn what happens when we eat rotten food, why some animals or insects can eat rotten food, the difference between spoilage and fermentation, and whether they are useful to humans. What if I eat rotten food? Eating rotten food exposes you to harmful microorganisms that can cause food poisoning. Symptoms of food poisoning can vary depending on the types of microorganisms present in the food. Common symptoms of food poisoning include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and fever. In severe cases, food poisoning may result in hospitalization or death. Therefore, avoiding eating rotten food is essential to prevent food poisoning. Why can some animals eat rotten food? For example, many species of insects, such as flies and maggots, are able to consume decaying matter because they have highly acidic digestive systems that can break down harmful bacteria and other pathogens. Additionally, some animals, such as vultures and hyenas, have very strong immune systems that can protect them from the harmful effects of bacteria and other microorganisms in rotten food. Also, some animals, such as bears, hibernate for extended periods and survive on stored fat during this time. Upon awakening from hibernation, they may consume rotten food as a source of nutrients to replenish their bodies. What is the difference between spoilage and fermentation, and why is fermentation harmless to humans? Both putrefaction and fermentation are processes involving the decomposition of organic matter. Decay is a natural process that occurs when organic matter is exposed to the environment and the material is broken down by microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi and insects. Fermentation, on the other hand, is a controlled process in which food is transformed by the intentional use of microorganisms such as bacteria, yeasts or molds. The difference between the two processes lies in the types of microbes present and the intent behind the processes. Decay is useful to humans because it plays an essential role in nutrient cycling in ecosystems. As organic matter breaks down, nutrients from the material are released back into the environment, providing essential nutrients that plants need to grow. Decay can also be used to produce compost, a nutrient-rich fertilizer that can be used to improve soil quality. Subscribing and liking the video are a great help. Thanks for watching.